Okay, this is how you set up your MetaMask wallet, pin it to buy Oceanpoint SBT, and how to stake it. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is set up your MetaMask wallet. That's very easy to do. What you do is you just type in MetaMask and you'll see wallet come up or extension. You download MetaMask. So once MetaMask is downloaded, you then you go through the process, you get your seed phrases, make sure you keep them safe. Okay. But then you can also pin it to the top here once it's downloaded by clicking here, and you see I've already got it pinned. That will be clear. So you just click that so it pins it up there. Okay. So now we're in MetaMask. Now you need to fund it with either Ethereum or USDC. So that's pretty easy. You just copy the address and then you send your Ethereum or USDC to this address. Once it appears in here, you then add BST. I've already done it, but how you do it is you go import tokens, you go to custom tokens, you go to Etherscan.io, you type in BST, and you'll see block square comes up here. You click that, you copy this address, you go back into MetaMask and you paste it. This has already been added. So then you click on, I've already added mine, but it'll come up here. These will get filled out and you put add custom token. And then you will see the BST will be in here. Now what you do is you use 1inch IO. That's app.1inch.io. You connect your wallet up here. It says connect, and you'll see different options, but you connect your MetaMask wallet. It'll come up. Mine's already connected. Then now what you're going to do is you're going to swap some Ethereum for BST. So you click on here, you click on Ethereum. Cool. I'm going to swap 0.5, so $60 worth. Click here, you type in BST. You'll see block square comes up. I already have some in there. Okay, you click swap. Now your MetaMask wallet will pop up. It's just taking its time. Still taking its time. Cool. Now you click confirm. Okay, now that transaction's been done. It'll appear in your MetaMask wallet down here. It's still pending, so it hasn't quite gone through yet. So you have to wait until it goes through. Like I said, I already have some in my wallet. This is a demo wallet. More will appear here. While you're waiting for that, go to Oceanpoint.fi. Click on Launch App. Your wallet will be connected. I've already staked some, but I'm staking some more. Just go back to MetaMask to see that that transaction has been done. Yep, it's complete. Cool. Now we go down to the BST, this little drop down here. You go infinite, so deposit 100%. See, it says infinite, so it's off the exact amount or all of it. So in this case, we're going to go all of it. Approve. Your MetaMask will open again. Cool. You click confirm. Transaction is pending. It's waiting for that to go through its process. Okay, that's been done. Now you click deposit. And once again, your MetaMask will come up again. Make sure you have some Ethereum in there so you can pay the gas fees. Okay, now that's transacting. And then once that's complete, you're done.